bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Scrubbing.
Scrubbing.
Yeah.
What kind of scrubbing?
Leather scrubbing today.
Always busy all the time.
I'm making my leather seats all shiny.
It's better weather today though than yesterday.
It's nice. Yeah. You see my shiny leather seats now?
See, look at it.
You see that bit?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
That's good scrub.
Expensive scrub. Gotta do your car yet.
What's my job today then?
Take this to the garage.
Yeah, go to hairdresser first to trim my hair.
Yeah, I don't have that problem.
This is the job he done yesterday. If you watch the vlog, if you repair it,
Yeah. You tell what the repair is.
yes.
You can.
No, yeah, I can't. Oh,
Look for the bit on the tyre where it chewed the tyre.
it's just the one.
Yeah.
I can see.
It's there.
Yeah.
Better, isn't it?
For Ranger is going to the garage today.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a look at the turbo, just inspect it.
And then the other side, what he did the other side as well. I will show you. This is the one. I won't notice it anyway. There we go. So, hi, that's our neighbor. See?
Gotta do your car.
I don't need it, babe.
It does need it. Probably never had the leather treated in your car all the time. It's been...
We've done it before that when we had it.
No, you didn't. You didn't use this.
Who is it?
This is leather treatment. It feeds leather. Oh, expensive.
Rinapore. We can get that one.
It's like £25 a tin.
If we're moving to Philippines, we put some of those. It's nice the weather today. We can have a barbecue and jacuzzi.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're planning yesterday, but rain. So I'll go to the hairdresser. Hairdresser Diva. They call it Diva. All the old people go there.
The purple rinse.
The purple range.
This is how the old people have blue and purple hair.
The lady knows me there because I went there before. Yeah, I remember you. I said, I can pronounce your name now. Is it? Good. The old lady, they go to the perm. They perm their hair.
Yeah, and they get a purple rinse.
They visit every couple of weeks. They go there. Yeah. So that's the job today, and we go to the garage.
Oh, looking shiny already.
Yeah, I can see it. Okay. It's going to the garage today, this one, so no, you can use it next weekend.
I'll take your car next week.
Yeah.
Babe.
Look at this, the man cave.
It's a shithole.
Look, I got so many tools.
It needs tidying out. I've got a lot of tools.
Anyway, only the big garage. And the Union Jack. Still okay, that one?
Yeah, but we've got a new one that you bought in my office.
Yeah, I got a new one.
We'll buy a proper one for the flagpole.
Yeah, we need a big, like a
A very big one.
big one, like different material. Like this material, right?
No,
No?
need like a cloth material.
Cloth material.
Proper one.
So, I'm going to the hairdresser, and this is my little Roby. And Moso is staying next week. Staying in the house. I'm going to the hairdresser today to trim my hair. This edges is a bit dry. So Mr. C is non-stop polishing his car.
It's my hobby, it's what I like to do.
Oh my god, it's back again, the number plate. Is it?
Yeah,
Why, babe?
because I've not changed it yet. I'll get some other ones. They're like 60 quid and I can't afford it at the minute.
I don't know why you make that number plate in the first place.
I like it.
Yeah, but it's illegal.
Doesn't matter. Can't beat a good scrubber. I love scrubber. I love getting my hands on a scrubber. Mrs. don't like it very much. She don't like it when I'm scrubbing. See ya, Matt. That's Matt, the neighbour. Big lad. He's got to subscribe to our channel yet. He knows we've got a YouTube channel.
Yeah. We had 390 subscribers gone.
No, never mind.
Never mind. Keep going, babe.
They don't know what they're missing, babe.
Yes. Probably thinking, oh, this channel is boring, so...
Well, we are. We won't be saying that in December when we're in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Leave that in there, let that soak in.
Let's see, I'm going to hairdresser.
I'm going to carry on scrubbing leather. Shiny leather.
Yeah. I'll see you in a bit, babe.
Right.
Go to the hairdresser. Walking to the town, to the diva. It's still that mustache.
I am a diva.
Going to the town. To the town. A bit dark. There you go. All right.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, and
2 hours later.
Toes. Hina.
you got to repair the car.
Well, I don't want to repair it, so we're going to have a look at it. It smokes a little bit when I put my foot flat to the floor. Then it stops smoking. So he's just going to have a look.
Plenty of kids in this look keep coming because it's dinky dinos.
Dinky dinos.
Dinos, yeah.
As in dinosaurs. Or dinos. As in
Dinos.
Dino.
Dinos is it, isn't it?
So it's a midget called Dino that
Dinky
runs it.
dinos. Soft play. This is area called Henna.
Yeah. I've just got to wait for Paul, the mechanic, to come out. He's just finishing his sandwich.
Oh, having lunch. Ready?
It's only a bit of breakfast, probably. Don't all have food at different weird times like we do, babe.
Hungry,
So we're just
anyway.
looking at a plan. Is going to have a look at the intercooler pipe on the bottom of the car. So if he does it now, I might send you home and then I'll bring the card home in a bit. Or if he wants to keep the car, I can leave it here and come home with you in your car. You can have it for a week.
Oh my God, it's a week.
Doesn't matter. We're going to Sunderland. Doesn't really matter, does it?
It's like you need to repair, like.
It doesn't need repair at the minute. It just wants to look at it. I just want to know why it's giving that puff of smoke.
I thought you look at it the other day. You went the other
No,
day.
babe. He took it for a drive the other day to see if it was smoking.
But it's not about smoking.
No, it wasn't doing it. It decided to have a I'm not smoking day. And then it did it to me again the day after he took it for a drive. So just wants to look at it to see why it's doing it, that's all. If it needs any work, it's under warranty. They'll do the work for nothing.
Hungry.
I want to see what he's doing. See if he's finished munching his sandwich yet.
Oh my God. We here in Henna, guys. This is Mr. C going there. I went to the haircut today, just a trim for my hair. A bit, take it off the dryness of my hair, so it cost me like 35 pounds for a haircut only. That's expensive.
Right guys, got it figured out. So I've just given Paul the keys to the car. Going to leave it with him for a week. So he's got a master plan, and he's going to WhatsApp me the results. I think it's just oil sat in a pipe. So there's the old Range Rover. He's going to sit there with the other Range Rovers that he's got. He does a lot. I'm not sure about that grill, you know. Don't know whether to change it back to black. So we're going to head back home. Should we go home, babe?
You the driver?
I've got to drive. Alright, I'm driving.
Mr. C is the driver.
Have a fag.
See, have a cigarette again. He just had a cigarette a few minutes ago.
Yeah, and then she'll moan at me because I believe in fag ash in the car.
Yeah.
So, PC Autos at Hina. Paul with a beard. He's a really good mechanic.
He's a ginger guy.
I don't know if he's ginger. Sort of like an off blonde.
Orange.
Orangish. So you can keep the car for a week. I'll pick it up. I said you can use it as a run around for a week if you want.
You saved the park in here.
It's not staying there, it's going in the garage.
Alright.
It's going to get up on the ramp, lift it up in the air and take the bottom covers off, and then have a disconnected pipe, a big intercooler pipe, and see if there's any oil in it. If there's oil in it, which I think there will be, we know why it's smoking under heavy load. But the question is, why is the oil in it?
There you go, guys. This way we go to home.
After this truck's gone.
Got big lorry.
Baby Range Rover.
It's a good car.
It's a very nice little car. Come on, you slow bastards.
Flag everywhere. Look. This is Henor, guys.
It's nice to see they got the flags out.
Yeah, I've seen it everywhere. We need one of those, a couple of those, big one. One of those, and one there's a like that.
Yeah, the Union flag.
Union flag.
Not the Union Jack. They only put Union Jacks on ships. The Union flag is the proper flag of Great Britain.
Yeah, and one of those flag.
It's the St George's Cross. That's the flag of England.
Yeah.
It is actually the flag of England in the Union flag. The red bit in the middle. And you have the blue bits and the white. That's Scotland, which makes it part of the flag. Oh well, got rid of the car for a week.
We're smoking too much. Big Tesco.
Yeah.
In Aldi there on the side.
Hina.
Nice day today.
It's alright. Jacuzzi's warm. Should have a barbecue, I think.
Yes. Planning yesterday, well, the rain can now go stop. I went to the hairdressers called Diva, all the purple rains in there, the old people.
Purple rinse. We call them purple rinses in the UK, guys. You all know the one, like your grandma. They have a perm and then they have like a bluey purple dye put in their hair.
Like a purple one with
Yeah, they call it the purple rinse. And apparently it was very, very popular in the 1940s. So for some reason old ladies seem to think it's fashionable to have a purple rinse.
Yeah, they have so many put the curl in there.
Oh yeah.
And they keep it for a few minutes, then they remove it.
Yeah. Old people have purple rinses.
They always go there and visit every couple of weeks. They never wash their hair at 2 weeks. And they go back again there.
Go back and have it done again.
He said the lady when she's sleeping, he said they put a cap, you know, to sleep.
So we're taking this little Range Rover to Sunderland on Sunday. We're taking the Mustang. Which one?
This one, baby, it's never running for a few.
Wants a good run out, doesn't it?
What do you think? They also again? Or?
No, we'll take this. We'll take the little baby Range Rover, the little Evoque. Like you said, it needs a good run out.
Nothing wrong with it.
Lovely little car. It's had a bit of a rattle on the back end, which was bloody annoying, but it was like a heat shield over the back exhaust silencer, and it had rotted out where the bolts hold it onto the car, so I just took it off. It was only a piece of aluminium. Doesn't affect it, so it doesn't rattle anymore now. It's nice and quiet.
Yeah, it's rather like
It's a nice little car, this one. I think we paid about $6,000 for it. It's worth it. Ascension wanted a 4x4, so she's got a 4x4.
It's a normal car, baby, anyway. No, normal car.
Permanent four-wheel drive. And you've got all the special functions down here for going into sand and mud and snow.
Yeah.
You just push the button for which terrain you're in.
4x4.
Yeah. To be honest, with these traction systems on the Land Rovers, you don't really have to touch them. It does it normally, but you can put it into special operation modes for different sorts of terrain.
They have orange in there in some place.
They did have an orange one. When we went back to look at my Range Rover, they had an orange Evoque in there, which essentially loves the orange ones, but it just had like black interior.
Yeah.
It was boring. It wasn't black and red like this one.
It should be orange as well, all the patterns.
The stitching on the dashboard, yeah, but it was just black.
And he told me it's like 10 grand, more than 10 grand.
Yeah. We're alright.
Alright. We used this for a few years, then bugger off the Philippines.
That's it. Sell both the cars and buy one nice car over there.
Get the Navara back, the Laoag.
I don't know if I want a Navara.
Oh, Suzuki then, back.
Definitely not having a Suzuki.
Then back.
I'm not very big on Mitsubishis, but the Mitsubishis look alright. The big.
Look at J41. It's got the what's this? The got they got.
That's I don't know what it is.
Calibri as well, anyway.
Calayab.
Calibri.
Is that a Nissan?
Yeah, Nissan.
Nissan Calayab. I want a big one. I don't want a small pickup truck.
He
It's
call
gotta be
him
big.
Bong. Bong. This car is Bong.
Calls his car Bong.
Yeah, Bong.
Well, that's different. We are in Codnor. Nothing to do with fish, but they just call it Codnor.
1945 to 1925.
That's the War Memorial.
Yeah. That's why they all got old flag.
This last house here on the left, with a flag over it, that used to be a brothel full of prostitutes.
This one.
Yeah. Next door
empty
to
now.
Tesco. It's empty now. So there's no more brothel in Codnor. There's going to be a lot of very unhappy men in the area now.
Oh, no.
They can't go and get the puck. Yeah, this is it. It's just basically a road. That's Codnor. There's lots of flags out. Very patriotic around here in Derbyshire. rid of my car for a week.
At least he's not fiddling all the time. Every day doing something in the car.
Yeah, I just want to get it how I want to. I'm cleaning things up. Today I've put a...
It's never finished, right? It's never finished.
I never finish my cars.
Oh, what happened to the old car house?
Knocked it down.
Oh, they're building something. Oh, there's an old one too there. It was gone. Someone brought it.
Probably.
And they're making another flat in there.
Plenty of car garages here, but
Expensive.
they're all expensive.
You seen in the orange one in here before, and
There's an orange Ford Focus ST.
that is gone.
That's gone, it's been sold. Yeah, so I'm Range Roverless.
It's expensive car.
I'll sing with Paul now. He'll take the plate off the bottom of the car, get it up in the air, we'll look at the pipes. I know we're going to find oil, because that'll come from the turbo.
Is he a specialist with the rangerover, the guy? Or?
Yeah, he's a specialist with Range Rovers. He even owns a Range Rover himself. His own car is a 4.4 V8, same as mine. His missus has got one. And when I went into the garage, virtually every car in there he was working on was a Land Rover. Discoveries, Evokes. So yeah, he's a specialist on Land Rover, Range Rover. Really good guy. Very clever. So there's nothing wrong with my car, it's just when I put my foot down hard from the traffic lights, it puts a puff of smoke out.
You know, you said a lady in the hairdresser.
No,
He said, don't wash your hair every day.
because it washes all the goodness out of it.
He said, I wash my hair every day, every night. You know, don't wash it every couple of days or 3 days. You know, because
What's that got to do with Range Rovers, babe? Because I was talking about that car. We've gone on from cars to hair. She's changed the subject again. In other words, Steve, husband, you are shit boring. I'm sick of hearing about your cars. Let's talk about my hair for a bit.
yeah, of course, and
I'll just change the subject. Yeah. Here we are, Ripley. Sunny Ripley, and it is actually quite sunny today. Soon be out.
it's hot.
Because you need glasses.
So where's the car of the neighbors? I never see them. Gone to London.
Let's have a car.
Oh, that's the friend car there.
That's a cousin's car, the blue car. We think that the blue Range Rover Evoque, which the neighbour's cousin bought, may be the same one that we looked at in
Stuck.
Mark Eaton's Land Rover when we were buying my white one. Because he had a blue one in there, manual gearbox one. And
We didn't know, you know what
the
I said.
neighbour's is a blue manual one, same year,
Because they're watching our blog.
which he bought from a dealer. Well, I wonder if it's the one. I wonder if he went to Mark's to buy it. Bought that one. It's a nice car. It's a very nice car.
10,000.
He paid 10 grand for it. And as Mark Eaton, he always says 10 grand for that sort of year. Like Ascension said about the orange one, 10 grand. So yeah, next time I see him, I'll ask him whether he bought it from there, from Suki at Mark Eaton. We'll see. We're a bit strange now then. No Range Rover on the drive. Just got a Musso sat outside. Here's our little house. There's our big Musso.
Little house for more than 10 years.
And yeah, now the missus can park on the drive. For a change. There you go.
There you go, guys. We're home.
We are home.
No Range Range Rover.
No, big empty space with a Range Rover sat.
No, Mr. Range Rover.
Mr. Range Rover. We'll forget about that for a week.
Alright guys.
See you in a minute.
Si later. Busy. Stressful busy doing the barbecue.
Having a go at it.
We're having a jacuzzi. A bit windy guys, but it's okay. There we go. And a little bit of music, so I put the music on. And you can dance.
Right guys, we've got meat, loads of it. Oh, and I'm trying some different Asian spices today. That's my favourite spice. Well, it's not really, it's cheap Aldi beer, but this is nice. So we're going to fire this on the barbecue now. Then we're going to get cracked on with that jacuzzi. And that's our afternoon.
Guys, Mr. C is starting to put the barbecue on.
Starting to cremate dinner.
There you go. Dinner or lunch?
soon as we set off with Tom, I just felt the power and just went like back in my seat. I really didn't expect it to be so fast. My preconceptions of an EV have been thoroughly smashed.
My standout piece from my collection is any of the party outfits. I know that's like a broad answer, but I just really feel excited because I think there's something for everyone there. Whether you want something that's elegant but a bit more understated or you want to go full on sparkle, I think we've covered all the bases. Shop party wear at Freeman's.
Relaxing afternoon, guys. Filipino music, Aguilera, whatever his name was. Yeah, it's like a Filipino Elvis. Outstanding musician. Talk about outstanding, check this out. Here's the missus outstanding in the garden with an ice cream sandwich. Barbecue's getting there. Bet you really miss these barbecue videos, don't you, guys? Whoa, look at this. Got loads of Asian spices on these. Chicken. Manok. Baboy. Woohoo! Yeah.
Very windy.
It is a bit windy today. Anyway, Mrs. is having fun. Back to the music, guys. Well, we've got the Philippine music. We've got a lovely barbecue on the go. Oh, everything's cooking nice. Try not to dry the chicken this time. But it's looking good, guys. If that doesn't make you hungry looking at that, there's a big problem. Right, guys. Well, we're mid-afternoon now. I think I look a bit redder. As you'll see by my other videos, I've been to get my arse tanned the other day. I had a white arse. I think we're going red now. How's the barbecue getting on? Well, funny you should ask. Sausages are good. Burgers are good. That boy. And up here, manok. Looking good. Ascension's playing DJ today. She's got the tunes on. Yeah. I think I'm in holiday mode, getting ready for that Filipino sun. That's December, so that's 3 months away, guys. I've got a bit more working to do before that, and a bit more saving to do. I'm going to buy the flights this month. It's going to cost a fortune, but you know what? Can't wait to go. Can't wait to see Nane and the family, brothers, sisters, cousins, aunties, uncles. You've got a foreigner in the family, guys. No, I'm not American, I'm English, okay? Because somebody asked the other day, are you American? I'm like, no, 100% English. UK, guys, UK. I'm not a stupid Yank, alright? I think Ascension's had enough of the jacuzzi. She's out here at the moment in the garden. Getting confused by a hose pipe. She's kinky, she's got a kink in the hose. She's watering the peppers and the chilies. And the garden's looking alright. My calamansi's looking a bit light green though, I'm not too happy about that. A bit worried. We've had loads of beans. Yeah, we've got a ton load of flipping strawberries. We've got some blueberry plants right at the very end now. And everything's looking good. She keeps forgetting to shut the bloody greenhouse door. Then wonders why the plants are dying. Loads of flowers. Ooh. Okay, you done with it? We'll cover the jacuzzi again then, because the dinner is about... Yeah, it's about ready, guys. I'll do my man thing, hunter-gatherer. Barbecues are primordial. But anyway, men love them. It's a primal instinct. Something to do with being a caveman and going out and killing food and cooking it over an open fire. All men love it. So let's get on with it. Right, mid-afternoon. Jacuzzi's covered. Tunes are about to go off. Oh, and that food's ready. Nice chicken, nice burgers, nice baboy, sausage. Don't know how to say sausage in Philippine. Ascension's drying the towels. I've still got beer left. Oh, it's better. And I'm not getting many emails on my work phone at the moment. Well, pretty quiet at the moment. So, let's get some grub. Well, that's the food sorted, guys. We're good. Table full, as usual. Spare beer. Happy missus.
Kain po tayo, guys.
And a bit of Raffy Tulfo on the TV. Can't beat a bit of Raffy on a Friday. Right, we'll say goodbye, babe.
Bye, guys. Salamat po.
Yeah. And thanks for watching. Here's me in my sexy dressing gown again. Look, need a bit of a shave. But thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the comments. And we'll see you
In the next vlog.
in the next vlog. Very, very soon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye now.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.